As climate change alters temperature and weather patterns, it will also impact plant and animal life. Scientists expect the number and range of species which define biodiversity will decline greatly as temperatures continue to rise. The loss of biodiversity could have many negative impacts on the future of ecosystems and humanities worldwide. The phenomenon of global warming, a gradual rise in the Earth's average temperature, often associated with greenhouse gases, has already produced many observable short-term effects. In addition of this, climate scientists have predicted long-term effects by taking into account rate of fossil fuel consumption and changes in solar output. Although not all scientists agree every every prediction, the majority foresees major reduction of in glacier ice, large ecological shifts, and rising ocean level. As biodiversity decreases, there will be far-reaching effects. Distribution in food chain may greatly affect not only ecosystems but also humanity's ability to feed an ever-growing population. For example, losing diverse insect species will decrease planet pollution. Additionally, this may decrease humanity's ability to produce medicine as extinction climbs more and more key plants. Biodiversity also protects against natural disasters such as droughts that have evolved specially to resist the spread of wildfire. Most mainstream scientists support the notion that increasing level of greenhouse gases are due to human activity. The burning of fossil fuels and deforestation are two activities that increases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. According to the measurements taken at the Mauna Loa Observatory in Hawaii, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has risen from 330 ppm to 389 ppm in the past 50 years. With most of the rise of fossil fuel, rising temperature can create significant progresses that lead to even more warming, increasing water vapor in the atmosphere, or releasing mantle of the Arctic. The technologies from ramping down greenhouse gases emission already exists for the most part. They including shaping fossil fuels for renewable sources, boosting energy efficiency, and discouraging carbon emission by putting a price on them. Scientific research and biodiversity monitoring are expensive, so a small percentage of world's biodiversity is studied. Humans have a poor understanding of the certain status of biodiversity and less understanding of what biodiversity looks like prior to human influence. Actually, estimating the extent of biodiversity decline is therefore limited. Because of lack of scientific evidence to present, the policymakers' support for tough environmental laws is often lacking in the political arena. The social and economic costs of associated the environmental laws are higher for some community sectors, making the implementation of such laws a constitutional issue. Because of these difficulties, laws protecting biodiversity are slow to develop and often inadequate. Thank you.